Art installation is a unique profession. It draws from the fields of construction, interior design, architecture, engineering, and chemistry. It takes a great deal of patience and planning to successfully install the delicate artworks in our collection. The basics of art handling are cooperation, care, precision, and keeping a clean work environment. Hi, my name is James Swan. I'm installation manager at the Blanton Museum. And the installation team at the Blanton is responsible for the installation of the exhibitions in the museum, from planning and design through gallery construction. We paint, we build walls, art handling, we install all the artwork, pack and unpack it, and signage, interactive elements, and lighting.
We're painting them in blood.
The current show, Elena Tsui, When I Last Wrote to You About Africa, is an interesting one in that it presented very specific and unusual problems. We had to modify our normal installation procedures and find creative solutions to these problems, particularly for the large metal tapestries. As with all our work, finding the solutions and implementing them are cooperative endeavors.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, on the side.